Today I'm making the ultimate Queensland summer salad using nothing but the best Mooloolaba prawns. Who said you can't make friends with salad? Let's go and put these prawns on the barbie. Mixed berry flavoured vinegar, should be good. That's off the charts. Who said you can't make friends with salad? Oh my god. No more captain, no mates for me.